Hello everybody, we've got an exciting topic for you today, especially for those who want to create a refreshing spin for their kitchen. The kitchen is said to be the heart of our home. This is where good food comes from. And when you say good food, it's one of the many reasons that we create a tighter bond with our families. We always start the day off with a cup of coffee and breakfast with our loved ones in the kitchen. Some of us even spend most of our time in the kitchen cooking and entertaining guests. Since aside from the living room, the kitchen is also one of the best areas for family gatherings or just friends hanging out. Kitchen walls are not usually thought of when we think of wall decorating, but kitchen wall art can add amazing visuals to your otherwise empty space. So here we are about to share with you some of our most fascinating and large kitchen wall art ideas for an awe-inspiring cooking space. And this is the secret recipe for a kitchen wall that's just refreshed. First on the list, the 5-piece wooden spoon with pepper and tomato canvas print. Seeing something that may trigger and inspire you to cook will be your top priority in decorating your walls in the kitchen. The wooden spoon with fresh pepper and tomato is somehow alluring in a way that you want to start slicing them to make roasted bell pepper and tomato soup. Does anyone else like that? Okay, no. This 5-piece kitchen wall art can fill up large bare spaces on your wall. It also possesses the warm shades of colors red and brown, which is said to stimulate the appetite. It can work well with other colors, so it's a perfect complement for other decors. Next on the list, 5-piece spices canvas print. Spices are very important in the kitchen. It makes our food taste good. But the thing is, we don't have all the spices in the world in our cooking area. We may have some, but not all of them. With the spices canvas print, you can now display them to visually excite your passion for cooking. It simply looks great on your kitchen walls. What's amazing about this 5-panel spices wall art is that they emit imaginary aroma just by looking at it. Third is the 5-panel Mellow coffee wall art. Coffee lovers, this wall art is for you. Can you see those coffee beans and smell the aroma? Most people love coffee because of its taste and its smell. It's just too good to be true. But it can make you feel relaxed too. With coffee as your kitchen wall art, you can always start and end your day right. Displaying the thing you love the most in your own comfortable space will give you a sense of freedom. In this way, you will be motivated every day to create impressive dishes. Awe-inspiring, right? Fourth on the list is sunshine flower painting on canvas prints. Sunflowers can lift your spirits up than any other flower. They're bright like that of the beautiful sun. It's perfect for your kitchen walls because of its welcoming vibe. It's also a great way to bring nature inside your kitchen. Cooking will definitely feel like preparing food for a picnic. Summer is one of the best seasons ever, right? This fascinating 5-panel wall art can give your kitchen the summer feels all year round. And last but not the least, our 5-panel Christmas chocolate cookies wall art. I love Christmas. I can't wait for it. Turns out you love baking more than anything else in the world. Then this chocolate cookie wall art is perfect for your kitchen wall. It's also great to display whatever season it may be. Kids will also love this canvas art, especially with all those cute shapes and designs. Oh, and no matter how old you are, cookies will always remind you of your childhood. Trust us, it never gets old. The good old memory of baking with your mom and indulging the freshly baked smell of cookies will always make us feel happy. Do you have a picture in mind for your kitchen wall? Well, don't erase it. All you need to do is turn that picture into a canvas print. Yes, Enjoy Canvas has custom images turned into a 5-piece large canvas wall art. We can do it for you, like fresh fruits turned to a 5-panel canvas print, or the picture of your baby eating, and many more. But that's all we have for you today, guys. Your kitchen wall will truly be an inspiring cooking area with these 5 nice ideas. And it's always the heart of your home. So please subscribe to our channel and ring that bell notification icon if you haven't already, so you stay updated to our every video. And please leave a like on this video if you found it helpful, or if you want more videos like this, sound off below, you guys. Tell us what you think about these kitchen wall art ideas. So thanks for watching, everybody. See y'all again very soon.